friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about an innovation competition, Atmanirbhar Toys Innovation Challenge, conducted on the mygovernmentinnovation.in page. So create a toy based. The theme is simple. Create a toy based game reflecting Indian tradition or culture. So you have to create a toy based, which means it may be indoor, outdoor, or a board game. Let us see more details about the competition. So here they have given about objective methodology, many steps. They have given all points. Let us see one by one about Atmanirbhar Bharat Toys Innovation Challenge welcomes you to participate and create an attractive toy-based game inspired by Indian tradition and culture. So, toys and games have always been an enjoyable means of training young children about life and values in society. So, this time that we utilize the strength of heritage and stories of ancient lands and put into display the beliefs and traditions that exist among communities of people. So, let us see the objective. So, Honorable Prime Minister has announced that in his Mann Ki Baat address on August 30, 2020 mentioned the great potential and opportunity to be tapped to promote Atmanirbhar Bharat Indian toys. So in order to give visibility to the indigenous toys manufactured, my government is honored to launch a national level Atmanirbhar Bharat Toy Innovation Challenge to encourage Indians to design toy-based games based on Indian tradition, culture, heritage, mythological stories and characters. So Indian tradition and culture is vast, friends. You can take there are many aspects stories you can create. You can create many methodological ideas. You can get many methodological ideas. Based on that, you can create your own game. So the entries in this contest will be in two parts, like individual participation or a team participation. Team participation, you can have up to a maximum of 4 people, not more than 4%. So you have to fill the form. They have actually given the link to the form. I will give the link to the form. So all entries will be checked for its originality and non-plagiarization. So the applications will be evaluated on different parameters. So these are the 3 fields or categories. In these categories only you will be participating. In any one of the category you can participate, either in board game or outdoor game or digital game. Digital game, any game can be in digital form by the usage of toys or props. You know props. Each digital game must include storyline with the props or toys inside the game. So if you are creating a digital game, it should actually emphasize what is the digital game is about. So about problem statement, with the change in lifestyle and deepening of Western influence, everything they have given the same things. The My Government India's Atmanirbhar Bharat Toys Innovation Challenge is intended to address these issues. So eligibility criteria, no age criteria. So any ages can participate in this competition. Like they can team up and they can be in individual participation. Like participant can be an individual or team. So entry should be original, not plagiarized. Make your own entry and submit it in the My Government Innovate India mygovernment.in. So innovation challenge are available on this website Innovate India. So the last date of submission of entry is 20 January 2021. Before this date you have to submit your entry. The applicants are advised to provide self-contained proposals with essential supporting materials provided as uploads for an informed and fair evaluation and review. Are advised to provide self-contained proposals. So no changes will be accepted once proposals are submitted. So once you have submitted anything, it will not be like rejected. So providing incorrect information will lead to outright rejection proposals. So provide correct information about you. Update your My Government profile. Better to upgrade your My Government profile. Evaluation. All the submitted entries will be reviewed by our evaluators under different fields. Each application will be assessed by a set of evaluators to ensure the best submission gets selected. So the evaluators evaluate on these based on these themes. So all entries will be checked for originality. The same thing, the game must reflect Indian culture. This is the most important point because your game must reflect the Indian culture, tradition, values. On the theme only, this contest had been organized at the national level. So the submission should be include a written brief about the game within 500 words. So also you have to also briefly you have to write about the game, like what is the methodology of the game, what the game actually pursues within 500 words. You can include that in your entry also. You must include that in your entry, including but not limited to the market need, use of props or toys, novelty of the idea or innovation, storyline of the proposed game, influence of Indian culture or Indian tradition. So scalability, potential impact, commercialization or capacity. So top winner in each category of reward of cash prize 1 lakh each. So which means you know the categories: digital game, indoor game, board game. Okay, in each category, the top winner will receive rupees 1 lakh. So the evaluators receive the right to check any liability to the participants. So it gives about the power of the evaluators. So this timeline they have given, like innovation challenge was launched in 4th December. Sorry for the late upload of the video. Application submission deadline is 20 January. So selection rounds, these dates will be announced soon. We will update in your community tab. You can check. So launch of the call of for entries is 4th December 2020. Application deadline. So selection rounds will happen, I think so near February or something, and the winner announcement will be. We will update in your community as well as you can check. Go and check the My Government blog page regularly. So reward top winners in each category to get rupees 1 lakh. Top winners will also get an opportunity to showcase their products in National Toy Fair in February 2021. You know that National Toy Fair is conducted annually in India. So the National Toy Fair in February 2021, you will have an opportunity to showcase your products like your game or indoor game or anything, your entries. So general terms and conditions. These are general terms and conditions. You will have everything. I will say shortly. The contest is open to Indian citizens. So all ages can be participate. Last, you should not submit the entries after the deadline. It should be your own copyrighted content. And here is a small disclaimer given, like My Government reserves the right. So their right and their power has been given. So participate in this competition. Before that, we can view this form. So friends, now you can see that here competition world and mobile number. They are asking the city, the gender, district, current occupation, highest qualification, everything they are asking. And you can also give applying as an individual or as a team. So this is the values to register in this competition. Before registering into this competition, like if you are like new to the My Government page, you should register. Go to mygovernment.in and register. If you have any queries in registering, you can also leave a comment in our description so that I can explain in brief. Like if you have any problem with registering your account, so register, and then you will have time to submit your entry, and you can submit also win exciting prizes, friends. All so friends, win exciting prizes. I will give the link in the description. You can see the general terms and conditions and everything. Win exciting prizes. So participate in this exciting innovative challenge and share this video with your friends who are interested like it. Thank you friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.